Ever wish cheesecake was quicker to make? Well, you are in luck. Join me as we create the perfect solution, mini cheesecakes. Let's get started. For the biscuit base, we need 150 grams of vanilla Oreo cookies and 400 grams of melted and cooled butter. We bake the biscuit and put them in the chopper. Put the lid on and chop them well. After that, pour the melted butter and we start to chop again. After mixing well, pour the biscuit into the muffin tin and level with a glass. Put the tin in the oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the cream cheese. Pour 100 grams of sugar into 500 grams of ricotta. Add a spoonful of vanilla essence, a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 eggs at room temperature, and mix very well. The biscuit bases are ready. Pour over the cheese composition that we just prepared. With the ice cream spoon, I fill the muffin paper 3/4. Will remain enough space for the decoration. We bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. While we wait, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Sabrissimo. And stay until the end to find out what recipe I prepare next just for you. Let's continue with the whipped cream. Mix 200 grams of whipped cream until you get a wavy texture. Take care not to overmix it. I want to make something special for decorating. Let's put some cream in a separate bowl, a little red coloring, and mix well. Now we put the colored whipped cream on the edges of the piping bag and the rest of the white whipped cream in the middle. In this way we will create a very beautiful white-pink effect. The 18 minutes have passed and the mini cheesecakes are ready. Look how beautiful they are. Let the mini cheesecake cool to room temperature and prepare the decoration. Use the prepared whipped cream and decorate each mini cheesecake. I use strawberries, red currants, and pieces of Oreo. Our mini cheesecakes are ready. Let's unwrap one and taste it. Don't tell anyone, but I've eaten several off camera. The creamy cheesecake is so smooth and delightful. It goes really well with the light, fluffy whipped cream, topped with juicy strawberries. It is an incredible mix of flavor and texture. You need to try it. If you love this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Up next, we have prepared a delicious mango cheesecake. Till then, happy cooking!